Alright, got a big problem right here. There's a gutter right up there. Water coming down here and pooling up in this little low spot, or going in there and letting the water in the basement. So let's go inside and take a look. We have not been here since April. Pretty much exactly the way I left it. You guys don't remember, we did the ceilings and it had holes in the ceiling. This whole kitchen was redone. Everything was ripped right on down through here. This room's been redone. Not too bad. Need some trim work. Anyway, the task at hand today is to work on this basement. There's water coming in right there. Well, obviously, it's coming in right here. Quick video, what I'm looking at, that vent hole goes into the basement. There's water getting in the basement. This white pipe is the drain line out. It's tied into the downspout underground here to discharge the water out of the basement. I'm thinking this low spot right here might be allowing water up against the brick and seeping in through there. What do you think? All right, well, I was here earlier this morning, and I kind of cleaned up the brick around there, dug down a little bit. Water is pooling up in that corner, and what I'm going to do to help mitigate that, because just beyond that brick is the basement, is putting water in the basement. So what I'm going to do is, I got this handy dandy brush. I'm going to clean off the brick real good, kind of get down there underneath the water level. Use some of this hydraulic cement, and where that pipe is going through, I'm going to build up so that the chance of any water pouring in there, raise it up an inch or so it has to go, give it a chance to flow out here. And on the white drain pipe, I'm also going to cut that open and put a one-way valve in there, so as the water pumps out, it can't be pushed back in by the water coming down the gutter there, because that white pipe is tied into the gutter about a foot underground. And although I don't know that it would really push it back up that pipe a foot, we're just going to put a one-way check valve in there to make sure that doesn't happen. So here we go. Oh, and I forgot my tripod, so I'm just going to have to zoom all this stuff in later. This corner, this first layer of brick, has a little bit of a gap on it. So I'm going to try to take care of that. Just work it in little bitty sections, just a little bit at a time. Crack right there, just filling it in. There's the glove. Ow! Watch out for the wire. Oh yeah, we got plenty. I want to be good and thin so I can get it into that wire. It's like making pancakes in the morning. I'm just going to pack this on this wire and work its way up. We'll let that sit a few minutes. Do the last little bit of that concrete. Take you in for a close-up. I understand that doesn't look real pretty, but it dries tan or gray, so it won't be that noticeable. Besides that, there needs to be about 4 inches of dirt loaded up in here so the water will pour out to the side. This run right here has got the weep holes on it, so if we go just below that other one, that puts it just below there, and that still allows airflow into the basement and everything, and the water level can come up, and I would think it's going to drain out of there by then. So yeah, get my trowel out and smooth that out on the last batch. You get about 2.5 minutes of working time on this. At this point, just trying to make it kind of pretty. Which, how pretty can the tin concrete be? Want more handyman hacks? Subscribe!